structural balance is the way that I work. I learned that through Charles Poliquin was the first guy who introduced training for structural balance to me, and he did it in a very different way to the way that I do it currently. So for those who understand, you guys have done all the Poliquin's work. So I just use ratios of training your upper body as much as you train your lower body, training the front of your body as much as you train the back of your body. So we have a balanced physique. And a lot of people come to me, for example, I'm in the position where the athletes that come to me can already bench press like 200 kilograms, which is a funny position to be in. So I kind of see lots of really strong people. And usually these people come to me and it's like, how do you get a 200 kilogram bencher stronger? 99 times out of 100, it's not by doing more bench press. They're already doing that. It's the things that they're neglecting. So for most people, it's like, yeah, bench more. If you want to bench a lot, you got to bench a lot. But these high-level athletes, they're already doing that, and probably a little bit too much of it. And they need to factor in structural balance.